Jacobs Radio in the house with Daniel Lacic from the Loan Factory out here in Richland. First of all, thank you for jumping on board with Jacobs Radio. We're so excited to have you.
Yeah. Thanks, Mike. How you doing, man?
Oh, I'm doing great, man. I'm glad we can do this interview. Let's jump right into it,
Let's
Daniel.
do it.
All right, number one. So describe your service, and you describe it as offering a mortgage experience as simple and clear as Uber. So what does that mean? What specific website or app design choices make the process feel really intuitive for home buyers?
Right. Great. So thank you, Mike. My name is Daniel Lacic. I'm a loan officer and branch manager here at Loan Factory in Richland. We're located at 603 Knight Street in Richland, right across the street from the Federal Building here.
Great spot.
And and so we're appointment only, so you'd have to give us a call at 509-591-5517, so make sure that we're here and we can accommodate you. But our goal is to make mortgages be as easy as when you're ordering a ride, really.
Right.
Our website is, the goal is to make it so easy. It's so simplified, it's clean, it's mobile friendly. We've got AI integration with an app as well. Step by step, you're being guided through the whole process, and you can go to my website, check it out. It's www.myrateisgreat.com. That's www.myrateisgreat.com. Check it out, take it for a spin, and see what you think. So clean, mobile friendly, easy to use.
All right, love it. So your site mentions that you compare rates from multiple lenders in real time and pass that savings to clients. Can you explain how that rate shopping works behind the scenes and what it really means for a borrower?
Yeah, exactly. So what we do is we have a live pricing engine, right? We have it on our website that you can actually use, but we also have it in a back end. We are able to actually look at dozens of lenders in real time and compare their loan products, their pricing, their fees, their rates, everything for your scenario, whatever it is that you're trying to do. It's specifically designed to compare all of those things for you. And so with that said, it's kind of like a travel site, like a travel website where you look at all the flights and you get the best pricing. It's kind of like that.
Nice.
So
really easy.
Real savings, So.
And I've been on the site. I mean, it's super intuitive and easy to use.
Most of our clients end up getting a lower rate, lower fees, and they're happy about it. So we compare for them. So
you guys make
it's
it
nice.
easy.
It's nice. Yeah.
So let's talk about first-time home buyers. You know, a lot of them think mortgages are complicated or confusing. Since the Loan Factory emphasizes transparency, real-time pricing, what are the most common misconceptions that you see, and how do you overcome those with the clients?
Great question. So some of the biggest misconceptions are in our industry really is that you need to have perfect credit and that you need to have a huge amount of money for a down payment. And that is not the case. We have programs available for people with just average credit ratings and people with just 1% or 3% down for first-time home buyers. And so once we are able to actually sit down and look at the real numbers, their confidence is what takes over from their fear, and they're able to make that informed decision. So
very nice. So your website highlights a quick quote, no social security, no credit check, no hassle feature. Okay, so how does this process really work without a credit check and still provide meaningful rate quotes?
Yeah, so it's real easy. You are actually entering in all that information yourself. So most people know exactly, not exactly, but they know where their range is. So it uses soft data. It uses data that like credit range, property type, loan amount, and once you enter all those items in, you don't have to, there's no credit check, there's no pressure in that. So you are able to compare different lenders and different options for yourself. So once you're ready then, and you're ready to take that next step, a full pre-approval would allow us to lock in an exact pricing for you.
That's really awesome.
Kind of gives you an idea of where you stand, really.
Absolutely. So you're based here in Richland, great spot, easy to find, but licensed in multiple states. How do you balance providing that local personalized service buyer value and still maintain that digital first experience?
Yes, great question. So I opened this branch up here because, believe it or not, we're here in Richland, so believe it or not, there are people still out there that prefer to go face to face,
Right.
you know, and have that experience. And then there's people out there that prefer to do everything on their phone,
Yeah.
you know, on their app. We have an app. We have AI that fills out all your application for you. It's very simple. So we got multiple different type of clients that we
Yeah.
work with, and having that platform and the location, it allows us to serve more clients that way. Yeah.
And those
Yeah.
younger kids, they're on the phone. Speaking of younger,
Yeah, it's best of both worlds,
yeah,
right? So yeah,
absolutely.
yeah.
I know you're servicing them all ways.
Yeah.
So speaking of the younger first-time home buyers,
Sure.
what are the 3 key features of the Loan Factory's platform or process that really set you apart from those traditional lenders?
Right. So what they what our clients really, most of our clients really love, especially the younger crowd, we have rate alerts. So they can go on there, put in their scenario into our website, sign up for our rate alerts, and set up a target of interest rates or pricing, whatever it is that they are comfortable spending. And then the system is so smart, it'll track it and it'll send them notifications when that rate target hits or when the market shifts. So they love being able to like be in the driver's seat, especially the younger crowd. They love to be able to kind of follow that through, and then when they're ready to make that next move without being pressured, they're able to like lock it in, you know. Another thing that they really like is when they're filling out the application is the AI. We have an AI that actually helps you fill out an application.
Nice.
So you don't have to like sit there and put in your employer name, your employer phone number, all this stuff like takes forever, right? All you do is like drop your pay stub in and that thing fills it out for you.
Sweet.
So like, yeah, so it's really cool. They love that. And then the direct access to me. So if you're doing a loan with me or my team, you'll be talking to me directly. So you're not going to be bounced around in like call centers and people don't like that. Have to wait for 2 hours to get on the phone with someone. So those are the 3 items I would say probably the best liked.
Nice.
But there's so much more, really. I mean, it's kind of hard to.
Oh, absolutely. Well, Dan, you know, a lot of clients worry about long-term flexibility.
Sure.
Things like job changes, moving, refinancing.
Right.
How does your approach help address those life change risks through loan options or refinance paths?
Yeah, so life happens, right? I mean, it happens to everybody, and you have to adapt as it happens. So we try to have our mortgages be adaptable, you know, to what people are actually going through. Some people are buying their first home. Some people are refinancing their home. Some people are looking at investments. So we try to, tailor those loan products towards whatever their goal is.
Nice.
So yeah.
Well, Loan Factory obviously offers a wide range of loan options: FHA, VA, USDA, jumbo, asset qualifiers, a whole lot more.
Yeah.
How do you really guide buyers in choosing the right option, and what should they be asking themselves during that process?
Good question. So it's about building a relationship, right? More than just like a lifelong relationship over just a one-time transaction, right? So I will do a loan consultation with them over the phone or in person, and really just go over what their goals are. Are they investing? Are they purchasing their home? Are they downsizing? And then we look at that whole story and we'll find the right product for that. And we have so many different products that we can choose from. I mean, we work with over 240 different lenders. I always say that, you know, if it's real estate and if you can buy it, we can probably finance it somehow, you know. So there's so many options, you know. But it always comes down to that relationship and helping the person get to their goal, not our goal, their goal. So
Awesome. Well, technology clearly central to your guys' process. From your app that we learned about, online rate tools. What are the key tech features you rely on to keep borrowers informed and engaged? How does that improve speed and outcomes compared to traditional methods?
So technology. We're all about technology. We're constantly investing in new ways of doing things. Like I mentioned before, the rate alerts. They love that. They love being able, especially when they're under contract, and now they're thinking, oh, when should I lock my rate? What is the rate? When they go to like a traditional lender, they have to call the loan officer. They have to say, hey, what is the rates? What are the rates? You don't have to do that with us. You can see it. It notifies you instantly when the rate changes, when the market
so
shifts.
nice.
And so if you're ready and you're like, okay, that rate cost me only like $2,000 today instead of $3,000
Right.
yesterday, let's do it. You send
That's
us a
so
message,
nice.
we lock it in for you. So that's really good. The secured documents, we're very much on security. They're able to secure everything into the portal. They don't have to email everything. And yeah, I mean, it's just automated updates. We have an app where you can track your whole loan progress, and so they love that stuff. So that's really good. Technology that we
technology
have.
is huge.
And
huge.
transparency. I mean, it's all about transparency. Here's the fees. Here's the rates.
Yeah.
There are no hidden figures that you find out at closing. Like, we don't do that.
Oh, that makes it so much easier. So, all right, my final question. We've talked
Yeah,
about a lot.
yeah,
You've
I
been
know, right?
amazing. So, for that younger, digitally savvy buyer,
Younger guys
navigating today's market, what's your best advice
Younger
for getting ready to buy a home, especially for those who say, I'll do it later.
Oh yeah,
but
yeah,
really
yeah.
want to make it happen
Yeah,
sooner.
I used to be that guy too. I'll do it later, in my early 20s. I'll do it later. I'll get to it when I get to it. The thing of advice I can give you if you're considering, if you're younger and you're considering buying your first home or investing or whatever, don't wait for the perfect moment. Because like if you wait for the perfect moment, perfect time, it might miss you.
Yeah.
You might not be ready. So what I would do is get yourself educated on the home buying process. Learn how the home buying process works. Learn how your credit works. Learn how to raise that credit higher, faster, so that you can get that better rate, get that lower payment. So learn about the actual process and start now. Start even if you're 6 months out or a year out. You can contact me and we'll go over your goals. We'll set up a plan for you, and so that when the home comes and you love it, you want to buy it, you're ready to go. And so you can reach out anytime.